turtle?
Yeah, that's one of those snapping turtles, ain't it?
Look at that, Daddy.
What?
So what do I do with him? Put him back in the water?
Yeah.
What kind of turtle is he?
I think it's a mud turtle. And is that a mud turtle?
Yeah. You better not let that thing get in my house.
I need to put him back in the water, don't I? What do I do with him?
Just jerk it. Throw it back in the water. You don't want to touch it.
Let me press his nose a little
No.
bit. What?
Let's see if he's hungry. You ever caught a turtle like that, Dad?
I don't believe
I kind of figured I was going to catch a turtle because there's a bunch of bubbles coming up out of that water out there.
It's a baby turtle.
Is that a baby?
Yeah.
Kristen was here, she'd want it.
Yeah.
Ain't that something? Oh boy.
Put your finger down there, it'll get you.
He don't look too friendly.
Opening that mouth for you.
You got one back there.
This is a close-up.